Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into Knives Out. You can log into Knives Out using various methods depending on your preference and platform you are playing on. First of all, launch open the Knives Out app on your device and then from the main screen, you have several different options to log in such as Mailbox login, login with Apple, guest login, and there are other login options such as Facebook login, Nintendo login, and so on. Select the method that best suits you. After selecting the preferred method, follow through the on-screen prompts to authorize access. This may involve entering credentials and granting necessary permissions. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main lobby and you can begin playing the game. That is how you can easily log into Knives Out. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.